All right, in this walking tour of Las Penitas, we are going to do the middle road of the loop. We're starting out on the main beach road. Off to the left, you can just see Sua, and way down the road, you can just see the Simple Beach Lodge. Right at the farthest point of the road, we have Nika Burger and Carla's Pulperia there, looking towards the estuary now. And the mid road is right here between Nika Burger and Carla's Pulperia, and we're going to head into the length of this road, which connects to the upper loop just before the loop ends back onto the beach road. So we're going to return to just out of sight on the beach road where we started this video at the end of this road. This road is primarily residential. No real businesses on here. There's a single pulperia and a language school, which is currently closed, but when the economy is better, there's an active language school on this road. The road continues off to the left. I'm going to spin around a little bit though. There's a church here on the corner, and next to it is the open dirt area in the middle of town. Any satellite view will show that to you. You can get kind of a high view of it from here and kind of get a feel. And that connects to the beach road as it wraps around. If you go off to the right and if you go off slightly to the left, it will go up to the upper loop road. So we're in the middle of all the roads right here. Hence why I call it the middle road. I continue on. Very hard to hold the camera steady as we walk on these rough roads. I apologize for the jiggling. I am attempting to walk steady, and the camera is doing digital gimbal, but there are limits given that every step I'm tripping over rocks. On the left, just a lot of beautiful flowers. Nicaragua is all about color. On the right, this actually says this is a dentist. Never actually experimented to see if they're active or open, but the doors are open, the place is kept up. This is a very quiet street. All of the streets, of course, in Las Penitas are quiet on a Monday afternoon, which is when I'm filming this. This road is exceptionally quiet all the time. There's very little activity up here. It is not a through road to anywhere. It doesn't have its own destinations, so pretty much if you don't live on this road, you're not likely to be back here. It's the perfect place to walk the dogs, that I do most days. There's an interesting abandoned house. This is a walkway through to the upper loop road. On the right, where the truck is parked, this is the pulperia on the middle road. And on the left, this is the language school. People are maintaining it, but no one's going to school currently. This pulperia also does homemade naka tamale. This house on the right is an Airbnb rental, the short white one. This in front of us is the upper loop road, just above the beach road. This intersection actually gets a little bit of traffic because we have the upper road and the middle road coming together right at the beach road. And a small side street actually comes in right there in front of us. I'm gonna turn to the right so you can see the upper road where we came by in our other tour. And a dog. Come past. And we're gonna head down the hill to rejoin the beach road so you can connect all these places together. This is the beach road visible now. Puesta del Sol on the left.